and a marshmallow bridge. Let's walk there. Oh, sweet candy land. We love this magic world. We love this magic world. We see a cookie village with cute houses. Cookie people wear nice suits and normal clothes. We slide down an ice cream mountain on a giant donut. A train comes, the wagons of chocolate bars filled with yummy candies. We jump into the candy train and play. The train leaves us near